Hello children, in this video we are going to study mathematics chapter 14 smart charts on page number 162. Now children, here the topic is how many hours. All of us enjoy watching television, TV or listening to the radio. How much time do we spend in this? Now here I have written I spend 2 hours every day in watching TV or listening to the radio. Now children, note the time you spend in front of TV or radio every day. Do this for 1 week. The time spent in 1 week will be how many hours? Now if I watch 2 hours daily every day, now children, there are 7 days in a week. 2 hours every day means 2 into 7 will give me 14 hours. So in a month you spend about, in a month there are 30 days, 30 into 2 that will give you 60 hours. Now find out from your friends the time they spend in a week, how many hours they watch TV or listen to the radio in a week, and number of children. Now here in this there are two columns. In the first column there are how many hours they watch TV in a week and the number of children in the second column. Now here more than 6 hours, 10 children watch TV more than 6 hours in a week. 6 hours, 5 children. 5 hours, 3 children. 4 hours, 2 children. 3 hours, 7 children. 2 hours, 10 children. 1 hour, 5 children. 0 hour, that means the children who do not watch TV at all are 3 in numbers, or they are 3 children. Now from this table you have to fill in the blanks. See here from your table, watching TV or listening to the radio, dash children spend more than 6 hours in a week. Now we have to find out how many children spend more than 6 hours in a week in watching TV. They are 10 in numbers. So we will write here 10 children spend more than 6 hours in a week. Now they are asking children spend no time at all. It means here the children who do not watch TV at all or spending 0 hours are 3 in numbers. So we will write there 3 children. Here 3 children do not spend no time at all in watching TV. Most children spend dash hours in a week. Now most children spend, most means maximum number. Here the bigger number is 10 and it is appearing for 2 times. Here for 2 hours and more than 6 hours. You can write any one. So here I have written most children spend 2 hours in a week. Now they are asking next question, dash children spend more than 3 hours. Now if you look at this table, 3 hours we don't have to count this one. From here 4 hours, more than 3 hours, no? Then 4 hours, 5 hours, 6 hours or more than 6 hours. These number of children we are going to count. So they are 10 plus 5, 15, 15 plus 3, 18, 18 plus 2, 20 children are there. So we will write here 20 children spent more than 3 hours. Now which program? There are different types of programs on TV or radio such as cartoons, news, sports, music, plays, serials. Now here Juhi's father likes watching serials. Her mother likes watching sports. Juhi likes news programs. Now children, you have to ask people in your family to name one program they like and one program they dislike and make a table. Now here name of the family member you have to write, program they like, program they dislike in the second column. Now here I have written mother, my mother like watching serials and she dislikes sports. Father, he likes to watch news and he dislikes serials. Sister, she likes watching sports. She dislikes watching serials. Brother, likes to watch cartoons and he dislikes news. My uncle likes to watch news and dislikes serials. Aunt, she likes to watch movies and she dislikes sports. Now, children, you have to write here the kind of program most family members like. Now, children, if you go through the table, you have to go in the like column. Now, here, serials is liked by how many? Only one person, that is mother. Now news, yes, there are two persons who like news. Sports, there is only one person who likes sports. Cartoons, yes, cartoon is also one person. This news we have finished. And movies, only one person likes to watch movie. Now children, the kind of program most family members means, most means the bigger number here is what, children? 2. So news is the most liked TV program. Okay. Now here the kind of program most family members dislike. Now children, we have to go here in the dislike column. Now you have to go sports. Sports is liked by 2 persons. Serial 1, 2, 3. 3 serials is disliked by 3 persons. Then news, only one is there. The serials and sports is finished. Now here, the kind of program most family members dislike is serial, because that is appearing for maximum number of time. Most means maximum number of time. So here it is serials. Now children, find out from 20 friends the programs they like and dislike and write in a table. Now you have to ask 20 of your friends about this: news, serials, cartoons, comedy show and sports. Out of these 5, which one they like and which they dislike. Now I have made a survey of 20 friends and I found that news is liked by 4 and disliked by 6 children. Serials is liked by 5 children and disliked by 6 children. Cartoons is liked by 7 children and disliked by 0 children. Comedy show is liked by 2 children and disliked by 4 children. Sports is liked by 2 children and disliked by 4 children. Now children, here we are going to answer these questions given below. They are asking which kind of program is liked by most children. Most means maximum number of children. Now we are going to go in this liked column and we see the highest bigger number here is 7. And what is that program, children? Cartoons. So we will write here cartoons. Now which kind of program is disliked by the least number of children? Least means less number. So here, which is the less number here? 0. So what is that kind of program? Cartoons. So we will write here cartoons. How many children like sports program? Now again we will go in like column and we find that 2 children likes sports program. Now here they are asking if is there any kind of program not liked by anyone. Now we have to go here in which column? Like column, and we have to see is there any kind of program not liked by anyone. 0 number is seen here, children? No. So we will write here no. Okay. Now here, children, who is my friend? Let's read this poem. I have a friend with me always, in the nights and through the days. When I run, he runs with me. Sometimes I lead, sometimes he. When it's dark, he can't be seen. Do you know which friend I mean? Have you guessed, children, what is it? Yes, it is a shadow. Now children, here they are telling you, read the poem carefully and answer these questions. First question is, which word comes most often in the poem? So that is I and he. See here, 1, 2, 3, 4 times I is appearing, 1, 2, 3 times he is appearing. So these are the words which come most often in this poem. Now children, B part is, which letter has been used the most? Now see children, which letter has been used most? E. So we will write, which letter has been used most? E. Now which letter comes the least? Now least means for the less time, means appearing less. So let's see. Here children, B is the letter that is appearing least. This B. So you can write, which letter comes the least? B. Now they are telling you, take a paragraph you like from your language textbook, read carefully and find out. Now here I have taken the paragraph from your Maths Magic book 161 page number. See here children, there are 4 houses on his land and in the middle there is a well. He wants to divide this land equally among his 4 children. Each should get one house and be able to use the well without entering the other's land. Can you help him divide the land? Now children, I have read that paragraph. Which word comes most often and how many times it appears? Most often means what children? Again and again, which word is coming? So if you go look at the paragraph, you will find that land is appearing more often. And how many times it is appearing? 1, 2, 3, 4 times. So we will write here, land word comes most often and it comes for 4 times. Now they are asking, which word comes least often? Are and on are the words that appears least. Now the letter used most often is E here. You can go through the paragraph, you will find that the letter used most often is E and the letter used least often is F, Q, V. Now children, food we eat we will see in the next video.